Kapuso, makulay ang buhay. I just noticed a while ago, bakit wala ang Kapamilya channel? Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito ang inyong Chesterific. For today's video, we are going to unbox something. Ang in-demand ngayon na TV box, ang GMA Affordabox. Here, I just bought here in Shopee by GMA Store. The price is 888 SRP. Here from GMA. Kapuso, makulay ang buhay.
Ginagawa mo!
Kapuso, magsama-sama. Charot! Yan. GMA Affordabox. Mura na, malinaw pa. Saan ka pa? Diba? One-time purchase lang at walang monthly fees. Sulit pa sa free additional pictures. Multimedia player, personal video personal video recorder, nationwide emergency warning broadcast system, and functional auto-on alert pictures. Naintindihan. Alam ko lang yung personal video recorder. Tignan natin mga ka-epic mamaya if itong GMA Affordabox is better sa ibang digital box. Let's open this. Actually guys, I don't know how to kabit-kabit this because yung isa naming digibox kinabit lang ng aking tito. Ayan. There's ganto. I don't know what you call this, but there's ganto. Ito siguro yung pinaka magiging parang antena kumbaga, yung magiging signal niya. Let's see later how it works. Meron din siyang warranty card for 7 days. Replacement for 7 days. Manual. Installation guide. May Tagalog. Mas madaling mag-gets. Jack. Si Barbie. Charot. Ayun. Ito ang kanilang remote. At may pasunod na battery. Remote. Yung may station nila kasi yung isa namin sa kabila. Alam nyo na. Okay guys, babasahin ko muna siya off air. Kasi medyo mahaba-haba. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin ko. Para pag nag-shoot ako mamaya na kinabit sa TV, okay na, mabilis na, dire-diretso tayo. Kaysa yung nagbi-video ako, tapos binabasa, diba? So boring, you know. Sige, see you!
A few moments later.
Hindi talaga ako sanay sa pag-aayos nito, kaya I need help of my cousin. According to manual guys, there's a 15 channels here in my province, Bulacan. Let's see if na-acquired niya yung 15 channels. Let's go and see. Wow, so linaw. Of course, first channel is GMA 7. Then the second channel is GMA News TV. The third one is Heart of Asia. The fourth one is TV5. Then, One Sport. 6 to 12 channel are still test broadcast. 13 channel is CNN Philippines. Then, Zoe TV. Lockdown pa rin ata. And lastly, Teleradio. As you can see guys, there's 16 channels na nascan natin. Pero some channels ay still test broadcast pa din. And there's some channels din na hindi pa rin active, may nadodoble. I just noticed a while ago, bakit wala ang Kapamilya channel. Alala ko nga pala, suspended ang kanilang free channel. Kaya ayun. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye! Abisala Eshma.